Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Friday, February 3rd, just at the close of New York here. Let's get right into it. Like I said, oil opening pretty much at that close, in balance, had a little bit of rundown, and then buyer stepped in, got close to this HVA edge before it turned around, and they just drove it down. There was some response initially at that edge for support, but after that, once the sellers took charge, it was it was anyone's game. Gold opened, excuse me, inside of its range, just below that close. Pretty much went up to it, came down, news came out, shot up, definitely got the close, hit that edge, and it just came driving down. New contract lows for us here as it melted down beneath us. As far as our equities go, I should say we are net down in oil, net down in gold. It should be without saying, but I'll say it anyways. As far as our equities go, let me scroll back here to the opening for you there. So we actually opened gap down from that close, and right off the gate, out of the gate, we had initial buying, and then just kept climbing and climbing. You can see the response at these HVA edges. They're responding around them quite well, and it just melted up, got choppy. They did eventually get to their close there. Their close was down here from yesterday, and then just kept going up, and then they kind of just couldn't take it any higher. And then if they can't go any higher and they're not going sideways, well, there's only one other direction to go, and they started coming back down, and they surpassed the opening lows and then some. And that's where we are now, just closing out the day here in the ES, net down after that huge run up the past few days. Similar story in the NASDAQ, opening gap down. Scroll back here for you. And just that move on up. Again, you can see the response at these HVA levels that once more are given out the night before the next day's trading activity. So again, they came and got that close in the NASDAQ, and then around lunchtime, I guess everyone was just leaving, and all the sellers stayed and just kept driving it down. They did not make new lows from the opening. They're not terribly far away from that opening low. I believe they're just down here. But needless to say, we are finishing net down for the day in the NASDAQ, as we did in the ES, gold, and oil. If you're interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next day's trading endeavors, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy, or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures with our methodology, again, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.